Hey, Jason K here, Erie, Colorado at the Westerly development. You might recognize those homes behind me. Yes, those are the SLC homes. I am across the street now at the Brightland Homes. I am about to give you a tour of the Leadville home. They are about 630,000, 2,200 square feet, between 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. Yes, it is raining because it is the afternoon in Colorado and you're looking at blue sky and sun. So one thing you need to know about weather is we have some. And if you don't like it, wait 5 minutes, it'll change. So let's head on in and take a look, shall we? Love the steps up. It gives you a great sense of actually being in the neighborhood and owning the neighborhood. So let's go in that front door, shall we? All right, because it is raining and my shoes are wet, I'm kicking off my flip-flops. Pro tip, take shoes that can easily get taken on and off. So here we are, walking right into the main living space. Dining room, living room, kitchen, open concept. It's a very nice one. Typically new construction, you will not see the refrigerators. Model home, you will. So this pantry is actually a nice size pantry. I wasn't kidding when I said the sun was out. Oh, can't forget the beverage fridge. Nice laundry room. Besides that front stoop, you have a nice little patio off on the side. Behind me, what you're seeing is the sales office, which is actually the garage. Steps upstairs, powder room, coat closet. Hi. This is a fun space. Bonus room, game room, sit down, office space. And this sales office would actually be your 2-car garage. And will be, once again, sometime soon. Office supplies. No, coat closet. That goes downstairs, but let's go upstairs first. It's always more interesting. So what do we have here today? Small little nook. If memory serves me right, I need to go this way into the primary. Hello. We'll go back there in a second. Decent size closet. Actually, it's better than decent. It's quite large. Water closet. And in here, the twin sinks. And then a shower. Decent sized room. Lots of light pouring in through the windows right now, which means the streets will be dry before I finish the upstairs. No, I'm not joking. I'm serious. Good size primary. Let's head to the kids' rooms or other bedrooms. In here, main hall bath. Do like the dark tile and the black and white motif. Very nicely done. In case you're wondering, the Erie mascot is the Tigers. You'll see that in another home too if you flip through the videos or already have. At which point, I want to say thank you and make sure you hit subscribe. The sign says it all, just be cool. Hey, Fonz. All right, let's head downstairs, check out what they've got going on in the finished basement. So 3 bedrooms upstairs. Nice high ceilings. The cool thing down here is it really doesn't feel like you're in a basement. Decently high ceilings, if loud music, but hey, sets the tone. It's all coming from that little speaker, believe it or not. Egress windows. We have some utilities and storage behind these doors. Actually, nice closet. Oh, I'm gonna cheat. That gives you a sense of the pool. We'll be over there in another video though. Utilities. Decent amount of storage space. Like the high efficiency hint. When you see PVC on a furnace, high efficiency. And tankless water heater. All right. Hi. We're not going to open the tiny little closet door because this one's a nice big size closet. Again, egress window. Nicely done with the accent wall and the hangings, tapestries. Love the storage under the stairs. All right. That concludes my tour of the Leadville by Brightland in Westerly. As always, don't forget to live your best life, and I'll see you at the next one. Thanks so much. See you soon. And in case you're wondering where we're going next, it's model number 2 next door. As always, tell me what you think of this home in the comments below. You can give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'm always here to help you in your home search journey. And even if you're just unsure about what to do in order to get a home or what that process looks like, I can help. It may be more within your reach than you think. While you start your home buying journey, learn how we can help you save anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more. I'll go over all the programs that are available for you, whether it's a first-time buyer or the more advanced techniques that investors favor. I can show you how to literally save you thousands and thousands on your home purchase. Want to know more? Book time on my calendar on the link below, or give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. My name is Jason Kay, and I'm your local Boulder Valley realtor, and I can't wait to show you around. And don't forget to click that like button and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. And as always, live your best life.